Alright, here's the stuff that I buy online. Like some kind of tag intro or something. I don't know. Just thought you might want to see it. I don't know. You know, if my desk was not full of all kinds of crap, I could just put it up there. Wow. Alright. Let me do this. We can do this. Once again, not prepared. Have my electrical stuff out. Do something with that. I guess I'm just letting her rip. Letting her rip, tater chip. Put these up. Put my fuses up. I don't think we need a heater. Bunch of extra plugs. I'm gonna save these. This can go up here. You guys can't see anything I'm doing probably. That's fine. That's fine. Piece of hose. Yeah, so the stuff I buy online. I just thought I'd get some stuff for inventory. Throughout the year, I'll sell it. If I have it in stock, it's good. Some of the Red Rhino stuff I'm going to put online. And if I got to ship some out, that's fine. But I guess we can start with, it's just general. Like, I don't have this for sale or anything. I guess I could. But this is just grease for my grease gun. And this is actually, well, come on now. What's going on? Alright, so I was actually looking for 2,4-C grease, and I ended up with this instead because it was like people were sold out. But this is triple guard, Johnson Evinrude triple guard, and it's like blue. So if you look at its tint, like it's kind of blue. But yeah, so triple guard's kind of like, well, 2,4-C is kind of off-white. This is going to be pretty good for all your Zert fittings. It's fine. You could use it on Mercury's too. I mean, it's triple guard. It's probably the best out of all of them. I don't know. It might be the best. So I talk about it like Evinrude, you know, Evinturd, but this grease really is some of the best you can get. So, I don't know if I want to save this bag or not. I think I'll just open it up. But I just bought two. I could have bought a case, but I won't use a lot. But you could use this in your trailer bearings. You could use this on your outboard. Just depends on how you want to go. Totally waterproof. Won't wash out. Right? It's really good. And so it's ideal for friction surfaces. Not only does triple guard lubricate, it also stays in place, resisting vibration, cold temperatures, and other influences. Stays put under high vibration, won't be thrown off by engine or boat vibration, prevents corrosion, forms protective coat, even in salt water, repels water, will not mix with water and lose lubrication quality. Waterproof, salt waterproof, will not wash away under normal marine application. Will not swell seals, packing, O-rings, etc. holds up in weather extremes, lubricates at cold temperatures, compatible with other products, can be used in conjunction with other greases, maintains stability, will not break down or lose consistency. There you go, fellas. It's really good stuff. So I guess it sounds like I'm preaching it, but you know, you can use it like all over. So if they don't have the 2,4-C, just buy some of that like I did. I might keep this bag for something, I don't know what. Now moving on, I just bought a few stuff to have in the inventory. So, you know, of course I'm a dealer with Red Rhino, and they're not sponsoring the video. I bought this just so everybody knows. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm going to try to get you guys in close if I can. Alright, so I got a couple of, these are Mercury old style bayonet fuel pumps. And they're a solid aluminum connector. So this one, I mean, it's like as good as OEM. So you can get the plastic ones online, you can buy those, and they're not good. These have a little, you know, O-ring in there, so you know, you'd almost have to rebuild yours, but you can just replace it with these. And so, you know, it's Red Rhino, and I'm going to put these on eBay, but I also have them in my online store. Obviously, it's a little cheaper at my store than it will be on eBay. We can open this up just so I can show you. So this fuel connector replaces 22831A1, and then it's 22831A3, 4, and then 22831Q3, twist lock bayonet style. It's an engine end, so you can see it's pretty good, solid construction. Very well made. Solid brass connector, hose barb. I mean, it won't leak. So I got a couple of those that I'm gonna put on the shelf. And so that's the other one. Got a couple of those, and then I got a tank fitting, and of course this came out of the box, I guess. This was it. So this is a Johnson Evinrude one. So I'm going to put those out, and that replaces 502, 567, 772, 681. It's a 1/4-inch MPT. So I got one of those. Whoa. And then here's a Mercury fitting. It's a tank fitting. And this is going to be a 1/4-inch. It's just a pretty standard Mercury 1/4-inch. And then I got a Mercury fuel connector 3/8. So this is going to replace 2213563A3, 2213563Q3. It's a 3/8 barb. And then, what do we got? Got some other stuff as well. solenoids. So this would be, if I remember, this is a starting solenoid. Yeah, starting solenoid. And I don't know, that's an 851. I have to tell you which one I have for those, but I'm putting these on eBay in order to have as stock, you know, because I'm going to end up using them. Like, I think this is I want to say this is a Mercury. That's a starter solenoid. This is the big canister. Yeah, this is Johnson Evinrude. It's the big canister style. Anyway, it's 580. I can't remember the number it replaces. That must be their number. So that's not gonna make much sense. Got another solenoid. I think this is I want to say this is for the, no, this might be, yeah, this is a trim relay. So that's going to be your trim relay. Now I think I have another one of these. No, this is different too. Can't remember what I bought. Oh yeah, we got another. This is I think this is Johnson Evinrude style. I have to look and mark these boxes for what I bought. That way I can put the numbers on them. So we're a little ahead of the game here. Usually they send me a receipt. I don't know. I think we didn't look at this one, did we? Can't even remember. Oh, let's see. What does this say? 67-7110. Yeah, made in China. A lot of these, even though they are American companies, are still made in China. Yeah, I think we looked at that's another. I think this is another tilt trim solenoid or starter. You could use it for a starter too, but I think that's for our trim. Johnson Evinrude's, Mercury's. So that's pretty much everything I got so far. Some of this, like I said, I'll put out there. Some of this I'll sell through the year because people they'll need some stuff, and I'll have it on hand. And so as it becomes available, it'll be available on the website. And some of it I'm going to put, like I said, on eBay. So anyway, that rounds that out. Kind of tired, so I'm going to take a break. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for subscribing, liking the videos, and we'll see you next time.